Ever heard of Ally Bank? Probably. They're known for their high-yield savings accounts, no-fee checking, and a pretty slick mobile app. But have you ever wondered, what's the full name of Ally Bank? You might be surprised. It's not just Ally Bank. Think about it. Most banks have a full, formal name. Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, they all have that extra bit of branding. So, what about Ally? Is it Allied Bank? Allied Financial? Something more mysterious? Well, get ready for a little banking history lesson. Ally Bank actually started life with a much longer name. It was originally called GMAC Bank. Now, GMAC might not ring a bell for everyone. But back in the day, it was a major player in the financial world. GMAC stood for General Motors Acceptance Corporation. Yep, you heard that right. This bank was actually born from General Motors, the giant car manufacturer. So, why did GMAC become Ally? Well, the 2008 financial crisis hit GMAC hard. They faced serious challenges, and to survive, they needed a major rebrand. They wanted to distance themselves from the struggling parent company and establish a new, independent identity. And that's when Ally was born. It's a name that's short, catchy, and easy to remember. It also conveys a sense of trust and partnership, something they wanted to emphasize with their customers. So, there you have it. The full name of Ally Bank is a bit of a journey through automotive history and financial upheaval. But ultimately, the name Ally represents a fresh start and a commitment to customer-centered banking. Now, you know the secret history of Ally Bank. But wait, there's more. Did you know that Ally also offers a wide range of financial products beyond just savings and checking accounts? They have competitive interest rates on auto loans, a user-friendly mortgage process, and even investment options to help you grow your wealth. So, whether you're looking to save for a down payment, refinance your car, or simply find a better deal on your checking account, Ally might be worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.